Crystals. They shimmer and shine, captivating our gaze and igniting our curiosity. These gifts from the earth hold an allure that has fascinated humanity for centuries. From ancient civilizations to modern spiritual seekers, crystals have been treasured for their beauty and their believed ability to enhance our lives. Across cultures, crystals have been incorporated into rituals, ceremonies, and healing practices. Ancient Egyptians adorned themselves with lapis lazuli and turquoise, believing in their protective and transformative powers. In the East, crystals have long been used in feng shui to harmonize energy flow in homes and spaces. Today, crystals are experiencing a resurgence in popularity as people from all walks of life are drawn to their captivating energy and potential to support well-being. Crystals are solid materials with a unique internal structure. Unlike most solids, their atoms and molecules are arranged in a highly ordered, repeating pattern. This geometric arrangement is what gives crystals their characteristic shapes and properties. Imagine tiny building blocks, each perfectly aligned to create a magnificent structure. Crystals form over millions of years through geological processes deep within the earth. They are found in a dazzling array of colors, shapes, and sizes, each with its own unique energy signature. This energy is believed to resonate with our own energy fields, promoting balance, clarity, and well-being. In a world filled with distractions and uncertainties, clarity is a precious commodity. It is the ability to see clearly, to think with focus, and to make decisions with confidence. Crystals can serve as powerful allies on our journey to unlock inner clarity. Crystals are believed to work by interacting with our subtle energy bodies. Just as a prism refracts light, crystals are thought to amplify, transmute, and direct energy. By working with specific crystals, we can clear away mental clutter, enhance intuition, and gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Section 4. Clear Quartz, the Master Amplifier. Clear quartz, often called the Master Healer, is a powerful crystal for clarity and amplification. Its clear, translucent appearance reflects its ability to clear the mind and enhance mental acuity. Like a blank canvas, clear quartz absorbs, stores, releases, and regulates energy. This versatile crystal can be used to amplify the energy of other crystals, making it an excellent addition to any crystal collection. Carry a piece of clear quartz with you to promote clear thinking, enhance focus, and amplify your intentions. Section 5. Amethyst, Intuition and Spiritual Insight. Amethyst, with its captivating purple hues, is a crystal of spiritual awareness and intuition. It is believed to calm the mind, enhance psychic abilities, and promote a deep sense of peace. Amethyst's soothing energy can help to quiet the mental chatter that often clouds our judgment. Place an amethyst cluster in your meditation space to deepen your practice and connect with your inner wisdom. Wearing amethyst jewelry can help to promote serenity and enhance intuition throughout the day. Section 6. Finding your clarity crystal. The world of crystals is vast and wondrous. While clear quartz and amethyst are renowned for their clarity-enhancing properties, many other crystals can support you on your journey to greater clarity. Experiment with different crystals and see which ones resonate most strongly with you. Trust your intuition when choosing crystals. You may be drawn to a particular color, shape, or energy. Hold the crystal in your hand, close your eyes, and notice how it makes you feel. Does it bring a sense of peace, clarity, or inspiration? The right crystal for you is the one that speaks to your soul.